know the story of my life, full of twists and turns along the way. It's nothing like a bedtime tale that ends in happiness. I've fallen down so many times, drowning in my broken state. The world laughed at me, the world called me a loser, but only you, Father, stayed faithful. Jesus, you're the greatest, my refuge when I am weak. You lift me up so high, healing every wound within my soul. Jesus, you are faithful in every storm. You're always there. You hold my hand so tight and guide my steps forevermore. When the light begins to fade and I almost let go of my hope, your love gently comes to reach me, erasing all my fears inside. You show me the path of life, a way I've never seen before. In your peace I finally understand the meaning of the love you give. Now I surrender all. Only in you my heart finds healing. I will no longer fear, for you hold my tomorrow. Jesus, you're the source of life.